avocado. Hey, I need a shave. What's up, everybody? My name is Keto Steve, aka Keto Steve, but you can call me Keto Steve. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to cut an avocado. Listen, avocado cutting, major key. You gotta learn how to cut an avocado correctly, or else your hand can't chop that off. We don't want that. From my perspective, avocados, they're kind of like dogs. You gotta wash them, feed them, bathe them, clothe them, walk them, play Fortnite with them. And those are a few reasons why you should take care of your avocado. But when you're done caring for your avocado and you want to cut it open, there are a few ways you can go about doing that. You can use a wingle wangle, a whatchamacallit, a flang flang, a thingamajigger, or a knife. Take the knife in your dominant hand and cut a small piece off the bottom of the avocado. This will act as the base on your cutting board. Place your fingers on the avocado and curl them back. Slowly cut along the middle of the avocado and stop once you've gone around the circumference of the avocado. Turn both halves of the avocado against each other and voila, open sesame. Now you must perform open heart surgery on your avocado. This action must be done very slowly and with the utmost caution. Oh wow, okay, or you can just do that. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to cut an avocado. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching, everybody, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my Instagram as well as my website at theketosteve.com.